No.
Okay, so we made it back from the Dollar Tree with our load or whatever that we got while we were there. And
Show her what we got, Christina.
Okay, so we did kind of consolidate after we cut a minute ago and started my manly grill. Okay, on a couple other things that we thought we had. So we did get the American Seed Finest Quality since 1897 seed starting mix. It has no nitrogen or any of the fertilization things that would come in a regular potting soil. It is just a seed start. This one contains sphagnum peat, horticultural vermiculite, perlite, and a wetting agent. So we're gonna go ahead and cut those open and put them. This is some leftover. There's not enough in there to worry about from a planting I did.
It's the same stuff anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, you weren't supposed to say that. But yes, I actually started some cups yesterday and I thought, you know what, Kenny, what we need to do is do a video showing if these are gonna pan out or not. So he wasn't supposed to tell you that I already started a couple.
Yeah, but we haven't had them in the ground but a day, so we still don't know whether they're going to bloom or not.
I know, it's gonna.
I'm sure that they'll come up. I mean, we're going to do a comparison on these and the burpees that we got at Lowe's
They're
or
not
Home
burpees.
Depot or whatever they are.
Fairy.
Anyway, whatever brand they are, Ferry Morris, whatever
They're
the
Ferry
big box stores carry. These were honestly, they were 10% of what the Home Depot ones were.
Okay, and that filled my bucket up pretty good. Okay. So I went ahead and laid out that the mates that I did plant the other day on the 10th.
Let me get down here close where you can see.
The Ferry Morris, I got the Dixie Hybrid, and for that we're going to make an early summer crookneck. When you read the back, it was also an early crookneck. Days to harvest 41. This one's going to take 50. And days to germination was 7 to 10, and this is going to take 8 to 10. The tomatoes, I did not get plain old cherry tomatoes. I got chocolate tomatoes from the Ferry Morris. They're going to take 70 days to harvest and 7 to 14 to germinate, as these are going to take 15 to 20 to germinate, and it'll be harvest ready in 55 days or so.
Find her.
Then I got Carnival Blend sweet bell peppers at the Ferry Morris, and these are Grand Bell Mix. These are going to take 70 days. These will take 65 to 85, and it's not going to. It's a surprise when that will germinate. These are going to take 10 days.
Which most of your stuff takes 7 to 10 days. Most anything you want to plant does.
Germination's not really.
But for $2.49 for this one,
Okay, so these
and
were $2.50.
25 cents for that one,
And we got.
and we'll just have to see how many seeds there are. That may be a difference in the seed count. It may not. It may not. May be very little difference. We don't
They're
know.
both paper. Let's see one that says a seed count. No.
You're not going to have a seed count. You're going to have a weight, possibly. Sometimes you have a seed count, like maybe on your squash, you might.
No, it's a surprise. And I've already used some of them. So anyway, so then we got two different type basils. We got sweet basil. We're going to be able to eat that in eventually.
Well, it's an herb. Once it comes up, you can start pulling it.
That's saying 5 to 10 days germination.
Right.
Anyway, whatever. What I can tell you is these have a net weight on them. And that was probably on the parts of these I ripped off. So, top secret stuff there. Okay. So, these I'm not going to replant because I did already plant them. And I am no bougie scientist. And so, they are in a different potting soil. It's about the same stuff. It's a spongy. stick. It's a spongy, I mean, it feels like a really good seed starter. I mean, you can,
Now, it won't hold together. It's not going to be good in holding your plants once you get them up. This is more just for getting them to root and sprout.
and I'm picking out the stems.
And then you can transfer it over to
Oh yeah, this
your
is
pots as you go.
just for seeding. This is not, okay. So, first thing I do is go ahead and drill the cups. Get three.
Hey, that's a great idea. You can do more than one at a time.
Thanks, babe. I'm all about work smarter, not harder. Okay. And then,
Which one are you going to plant first?
well, I'm going to do a couple squashes. And this part might be a little tedious because it does take a few minutes. I was thinking I'm going to put dollar store.
I need to go check on my meat.
Squash? You have to wait. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of these. I mean, I'm sure they're fun. Actually, I'm just gonna write dollar squash. I did 4 cups with, I think, 2 seeds in each cup of this variety on the other brand. I don't think we can have enough squash. I don't think we can have enough squash. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just do the same.
Look like the Three Stooges.
Okay. And Kenny left, so I'll try to. I don't know what to do with my hands. Increment. Okay. So I go ahead and fill my cup up to the end of the rib spot there. Okay. I do like 3, 6, 9, 12 squash seeds came in here. So,
I think I got a picture of the sedum while I was gone.
great.
Can we stop it a minute?